Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something crazy. We're doing something wild. Don't get fooled by the title. It's not clickbait technically. There is a city in Michigan called Hell, and we are driving there today with a bunch of supercars. So super excited. It's gonna be fun. Full disclosure, I completely forgot to film an intro for this video, so I'm doing it now, and it's raining, so that's why the weather won't match with this next part you're about to see. But I'll keep this intro super brief for you guys. Like the video, subscribe if you're new. We're almost at 10,000. Kind of. We're at like 7 right now, but still, hit subscribe. Let's go drive some supercars. Today we'll be in a 2022 CT5 Blackwing, which is insane. Manual, very rare spec, super cool car. But let's get into the video. Don't want to keep you guys waiting. We'll see you.
I was up and ready at 8.
A sea of blue. Ladies and gentlemen, doing a little cruise this morning. Beautiful Sunday morning. We will be in this V right here. And then a couple familiar vehicles here. Mr. John's R8. Ugh. The 650S, McLaren, and some other fun cars we got. But we're doing a little drive. We're going to Hell, Michigan this morning and then back. Not quite sure what to expect, but hey, should be fun. Always is with this crew. This thing is nasty. We're gonna be in the back seat, gonna be the most comfortable people on this little get together. And there's a Huracan with R888s. This looks so good with the gloss black roof. Oh, looks like we're getting a little meeting together. Woo. Cheers, friends. Oh my goodness gracious. Made it. Success. Ladies and gentlemen, had to refuel a little bit with the Red Bull, but we are in full force here at the first kind of gas stop we got here. John's R8 joining us again. A few familiar faces here. Wonderful. And then this, woohoo, you already know how I feel about it. This is the car we're in, the 2027 CT5V. I believe John mentioned there are only about 250 of these made right now. So, pretty sweet. That's funny. Out of these three, the R8, the Huracan, and the 650S, I think I'd rather have the Huracan. This yellow is a wrap, which we just learned today. The color is like a dark metallic gray sort of deal. Last video we saw David's Huracan that had the red kind of suede Alcantara interior. That one had 94,000 miles on it. This one, I believe, 16,000. Very cool. The gloss black roof looks good on these cars too. It just makes it seem lower. Speaking of lowered, I think this car is on some sort of suspension because that looks pretty tough. But we've got quite the crew out here today, just having fun on a beautiful Sunday. We woke up, it was like 54 degrees, and then the weather changed quite quickly to 85, so enjoying life. Well, we have made it somewhere. Not quite sure where or why we're stopped, but looks like a farm, some sort here. Everybody getting reconvened. Yeah, these roads remind me of the Tail of the Dragon. That was one of the most beautiful roads.
I've never been on that. I heard good things though.
That's a bucket list thing for car enthusiasts. I mean, 318 turns and 11 miles. This is like a little mini Tail of the Dragon. A lot of bikes out, a lot of cars. Gravel driveway, that's not ideal, but hey. George, how are you liking the 650?
Well, you know, I think the doors are broken. For some reason they go up.
That's weird.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's a factory.
You should probably take that to the dealership, get that checked on.
Yeah, we'll get a look at that.
The doors are going up.
Yeah, I don't know why they go up. So you can't attractively get out of a McLaren.
There's no way.
But I think I nailed it.
Getting a couple bugs on the way here. That's a lot of carbon. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to the cutest pressure washer I've ever seen in my life.
It's the little pressure washer that could.
Yes, sir.
We are on the way to a little cars and coffee, except there's no coffee. We're on our way to go look at some cars and hopefully find some caffeine somewhere. And that's our plan for the morning, so I'm glad we're on this journey together. I have no idea what to expect. Reed's car is with us today with the giant wing and student driver stickers. Why is his left? Oh my god, I hate it, bro. I actually am dumb. He had his left blinker on and I did too. And it's one word. I need to put my phone down. That's what I need to do. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, the overflow parking section, because this event is quite busy, as you can see by all the people over here. And do we have a treat for you? We have another STO in the wild. This one is blacked out, and I believe it belongs to Platinum Motor Cars, so we're gonna be checking that out here as soon as we cross the road. Oh, that Ferrari's coming again. Hold on. I need quiet on the set. Whoa. Definitely some wind, but that is gorgeous.
That's cool.
That is quite neat. Some slam. Sounds good. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I want one. Kind of want one of these things, huh? Dude, the rear end is insane.
Now I'm really excited.
Yeah, I got an iPhone you can borrow. It's got 3 cameras. Jeez. Look at this scoop. That is so cool, seeing it up close. No carbon on the mirror caps. That's interesting. I feel like that would be like one of the first spots you'd put carbon, especially on one of these. Well, ladies and gents, the YouTube money is not quite there yet, but I think when it does come, it's going to be first order of business to get me one of those. Cool turnout. Some C8s. Bye, Leon. The yellow looks good on this car. I must say it does. That is nuts. Wow. Oh, I was almost killed.
Hey. Let's be a little more mature, please. There's civilians here.
Civilian.
Okay, much better. Thank you.
Oh, I like this color on the F80. That's cool too. If you guys are still watching all the way this far in the video, thank you very much. Drop that like if you haven't already. That was fun. That was so much fun, honestly. Like driving experiences like that was like a mini rally. Like the cars that went, sick lineup, the people were great, food was great. Visiting Hell, Michigan was cool. Super fun Sunday. Kind of came up out of nowhere. It was for charity as well. So I think Chad said we were able to raise $1,000, which is awesome for like autism awareness. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe. Let's get to 8,000. We're almost there. And until next time, guys, we'll see you.